Good afternoon, Chris Reeman, Principal of Playford College.
Assalamu alaikum, Rasha Maki, Deputy Principal of Playford College.
This morning we had the most delightful ducks ceremony at Playford College where we celebrated these people. Our outstanding results for 2024. We celebrated all of our students who got their SACE, and we invited families to come as we presented certificates and gifts to the children who just achieved so brilliantly. It was a very, very happy occasion. And Mrs. Mackey, next week's going to be a bit different.
Absolutely. So next week, inshallah, the month of Ramadan will be starting soon, and we expect it to start over the weekend. So as of next Monday, our school day will be a shorter day. So school will still start at the very same time. Please bring children to school by 8:30. I know the bell goes by 8:40, but 8:30 students should be at school. But school finishes at 2 p.m. So it's really essential for all children to be picked up at 2 p.m. and students who go by bus, our buses will leave school here by 2:05. So please make sure your children are picked up by 2 p.m. and get them to spend more time with the family, prepare food, read Quran, do all the beautiful things that you get to do during the month of Ramadan. It will be a shorter school day, inshallah.
Every blessing as this happy season of Ramadan progresses and starts over the weekend.
Ramadan Mubarak.